This tree bleeds red and can live for over 1,000 years. Meet the dragon tree, an ancient sentinel of the Canary Islands, crowned with an unmistakable umbrella-shaped canopy and home to one of nature's most legendary resins. The dragon tree doesn't form true wood or annual growth rings, which makes its exact age almost impossible to determine. The most famous specimen, El Drago Milenario in Tenerife, is estimated to be 800 to 1,000 years old. Its crimson resin, known as dragon's blood, was once worth its weight in gold and was traded across ancient Rome and medieval Europe. Remarkably, the tree can only branch after it flowers, and that may happen just once every 10 to 15 years. Fossil evidence tells us dragon trees once grew across a vast ancient subtropical Mediterranean landscape millions of years ago. Plant your dragon tree in spring, once all frost risk has passed. Choose a spot with full sun and well-drained sandy or rocky soil. It thrives where other trees struggle. Once established, it needs very little water. Overwatering is one of the most common causes of failure. Do plant in USDA zones 10 to 12, where winters are frost-free. Do embrace its slow pace. This is a legacy tree measured in centuries, not seasons. Don't overwater, especially in pots or heavy soil. And don't confuse it with the Socotra dragon blood tree. They're different species with different needs. The dragon tree has watched civilizations rise and fall. Planting one today is an act of faith in the centuries ahead. Restore, protect, inspire.